Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do an update on a couple products down here. This little area you've only actually seen once before. This is my little Sarracenia grow out area. So lots of little Sarracenia seedlings growing in here. And like thousands of seedlings growing in here. But we did a video on this little watering system here, this Dripper Pro Plus, and I did a setup video and I promised a review on it. So we are getting that review today. What I have had to do is this guy now sucks from around the corner and from a garbage can full of water, just because it was hard to always be like filling up a 5-gallon bucket. So this way I can really set it and forget it. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays going right now. There's nothing going in this middle tray, and it drips several times a day, and it does, for the most part, keep my trays nice and full. So the dripper works fairly well. It has an app on the phone which I can, program what I need when I need it to drip. And yeah, we just set it in and away it goes. So keeps things pretty good. I did have to dial it in to make sure I was making sure it wasn't going to flood. So I do the dripping about 6 times a day for about 6 minutes each time, because it is like a really slow drip. These guys are meant for house water, or for houseplant watering, so when you have a pot. So it doesn't need to be a huge amount, but it worked really, really well. So yeah, just wanted to give that update on that. If you haven't seen the first video with the setup, I do recommend, checking it out and seeing what it's all about, because definitely a good product to have. It has taken this from being, I had to fill these trays daily, to basically never having to worry about it again. I've been gone for a week plus at a time, and I come back and everything is looking just fine. So yeah, I give it really good review. It's had no glitches, no nothing. Again, the only thing I wish was that I could use it over Wi-Fi or over LTE. It's only via Bluetooth that I can override it and do the settings. So I have to be here to change it. I basically have to be in this room to change it. But anyways, there we go. A few Sarracenia seedlings down here. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.